Hello everyone, a warm welcome. Myself Manupriya Bhati, MPT first year student in orthopedics branch and a fitness instructor. First of all, I would like to thank Movement Master Academy and Global Health Association for giving me this opportunity. So guys, I am going to talk about Pilates workout in my presentation. I promise you guys that after watching this video, you will gain a bit knowledge about Pilates and you will definitely add this Pilates session to your workout. So let's start with what is Pilates. Okay, Pilates is a form of exercise which concentrates on strengthening the body with an emphasis on core strength. This helps to improve general fitness and overall well being. Similar to yoga, it also concentrates on your posture, balance, and flexibility. In Pilates, the chances of injury is much lower than with other more strenuous forms of exercises. It also focuses on the mind body connection, and it is a system of exercises that promote the strengthening of the body, often using specialized equipments. Pilates improves flexibility, builds strength, develops control and endurance in your whole human body. Okay, history of Pilates. Pilates developed by Joseph Pilates in Germany, where he was a carpenter and gymnast. To overcome childhood ailments of asthma, rickets, and rheumatic fever, he invented Pilates as an exercise program for injured dancers and soldiers while living in UK. Joseph Pilates believed that physical and mental health were closely connected. In the 1920s, he immigrated to the US and opened a Pilates studio in New York. In 1925, the German government asked Pilates to start training the German army. Originally, this form of exercise was called contrology. You can see this picture. This picture was that time when Pilates just started by the Joseph Pilates. Okay, so let's talk about the principle of Pilates. First principle is the concentration, second is control, third is center, fourth is flow, and fifth and sixth is precision and breathing. Concentration. Pilates demands intense focus. Everyone have to concentrate on what they are doing and almost concentrate on their entire body. This is not easy, but in Pilates the way that exercises are done is more important than the exercises themselves. In 2006, at the Parkinson Center of the Oregon Health and Science University in Portland, the concentration factor of the Pilates method was being studied to provide relief from the degenerative symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Okay, next one is control. Contrology was the term given by Joseph Pilates for his method, and it is based on the idea of muscle control. Nothing about the Pilates method is haphazard. The reason we'll need to concentrate so thoroughly is so all can be in control of every aspect of every movement. All exercises are done with control with muscle working to lift against gravity and the resistance of the spring and thereby control the movement of the body and the apparatus. Center. In order to attain control of body, everyone must have a starting place. The center is the focal point of the Pilates method. Many Pilates teachers refer to the group of muscle in the center of the body encompassing the abdomen, lower and upper back, hip, buttocks and inner thighs, and overall it is known as powerhouse. All movement in Pilates should begin from the powerhouse and flow outward to the limbs. Flow or efficiency of the movements. Pilates aims for elegant sufficiency of movements, creating flow through the use of approximate transition. Once precision has been achieved, the exercises are intended to flow within and into each other in order to build strength and stamina. In other words, the Pilates technique asserts that physical energy exerted from the center should coordinate movements of the extremities. Pilates is flowing movement after from a strong core. Precision. Precision is essential to correct Pilates. Concentrate on the correct movements each time everyone exercise. The focus is on doing one exercise and perfect movement. Pilates is here reflecting common physical cultural wisdom. One will gain more strength from a few energetic, concentrated efforts than from 1,000 listless and sluggish movements. The goal is for this precision is to eventually become second nature and carry over into everyday life is a grace and economy of movement. Breathing. Breathing is important in the Pilates method. Proper full inhalation and complete exhalation are the important key of the Pilates workout. The Pilates fundamentals. Okay, Pilates relies on posture alignments for effectiveness. The diaphragm is the top of the cylinder of core muscles. Respiratory control requires respiratory strength as well as coordination and timing also. Precise movements with few repetition. Benefits of Pilates. First of all, it gives us good posture. Pilates will teach how to gain and maintain good posture. The exercise requires that everybody is always in alignment. This is especially beneficial if anyone suffers from lower back pain also. Muscle tone. The exercise involves the use of muscles that everyone may not use on daily basis. This is especially good for older people and those who are normally quite sedate in their daily life, is muscle tone is lost with the age and inactivity. Flat abdominal muscles. Everyone wants this. Pilates focuses on strengthening core, which includes abdominal muscles. All will find that one of the benefit of the Pilates that it will results in a flat stomach, and this is my favorite. Flexibility. As we age, we tend to lose the flexibility we had when we were young. Pilates will restore flexibility gently at first, of course. After a while, though, the body will become more flexible. This is especially important for avoiding injuries from falls. Improves balance through the mind body connection which is taught in Pilates. Everyone will become much more aware of how their body moves and performs. Therefore, Pilates not only improves physical balance through correct posture but will also restore mind body balance. Reduce stress. When doing the exercises, everyone will be totally engrossed and won't be able to think about all these responsibilities that weigh you down on a day to day basis. All will be more focused on breathing and on the moves that they are making with their body. This is an excellent way to relieve stress. It gives a general sense of well-being. Pilates focus on providing balance between mind and body. It gives an overall sense of well-being. Equipments of Pilates which are generally used in Pilates studio: trapeze table, reformer, ladder barrel, and combo chair. You can see in these photos. This is a trapeze table. It is a reformer which will use in different types of exercises in the Pilates workout. After that, ladder barrel, and next one is combo chair. So I would like to know that Pilates mat exercise everyone should know about it, but in the Pilates it will be different. First is the 100. On the back, hip and knees bend 90 degrees, arms by trunk and palms facing down. Curls torso up, extend the legs to 45 degrees. Pumping up arm up and down, inhale 5 counts and exhale 5 counts. Leg circle on your back, one leg straight facing up towards the ceiling, other leg extended on the mat. T-base with your arms. Make a small circle, inhale crossing midline, exhale outside, reverse and repeat with other leg. Rolling like a ball. From tuck position, arms wrapped, inhale, roll back onto shoulder blades, exhale and roll up. Balance and finish the exhalation. Next one is single leg stretch. On your back, bring one knee to chest, clasping shin with your hands, reach other leg to 45 degrees. Switch your legs and inhale for 2 and exhale for 2. Double leg stretch on your back, exhales, tuck knees to the chest, curling torso up, arms reaching towards the ankles. Inhalation, strengthen to an open C. Swan dive. Prone position, legs slightly turn down. Inhale, raise torso up 6 to 8 inches. Exhale, lower the torso and raise your legs. Single leg kick. Prone the position, propped on elbow. Inhalation, bend your knees. After that, exhalation and extend the legs to the mat. Repeat with the other leg. Double leg kicks. Prone position, arms behind, hands at the lower back. Inhale, bend your knees, pulse twice. Exhale, extend your knees, raise your torso. It strengthens the arm. Spine stretch. Straddle, reach arms straight ahead. Exhalation, reach forward. Inhalation, hold the position. And after that, again exhale, reach forward again. And inhale, hold the position. And at the end, exhalation and return to the position. Next one is open leg rocker. Pike position, balanced on buttocks. Inhalation, roll backwards. Exhalation, return upright and balance. Corkscrew. On your back, pike position, T-base with your arms. Circle clockwise. Exhalation to start the circle. Inhalation to finish. Reverse. So, straddle sit, arms out to side, inhalation, rotate torso to one side, exhalation, bend torso forward, reaching forwards foot with opposite hand. Inhalation, return to upright, still rotated, and exhalation, return to starting position. Side kick, sideline, exhalation, kick forward twice, inhale, kick back. With legs parallel, circle top leg at your hip height, bottom up leg kicks. Swimming, prone position, raise opposite arm and leg in swimming motion. Change the sides, inhale 4 and exhale 4. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope that you definitely like my presentation as a Pilates. Thank you so much.